Whenever discussing about qualitative property, it depend on number of particles. There is a concept called abnormal molecular mass. There is a concept called abnormal molecular mass. Why this concept is coming? Why is this concept generated? Because wherever qualitative property is concerned, it is depending on number of particles. For example, glucose, urea, sucrose. This type of particles, this type of solutions you are taking means no doubt, because they are not going to dissociate. They are not going to associate. That means one glucose molecule you are taking into water means that one glucose molecule is like one only. But electrolytes you are taking, sodium chloride, one sodium chloride molecules you are adding to the water means it will become one Na plus, one Cl minus. It will become 2. So one KCl you are taking means it will become K plus Cl minus. It becomes 2 ions. You are taking one K2SO4 means it will become 2 K plus ions, 1 SO4 2 minus ions. That is why there is a concept called dissociation and association. Due to this, there is a increasing in the number of particles. That is why they are affecting the colligative property. And sometimes association also is there. Acetic acid and benzoic acid. Acetic acid you are taking means 2 or becomes 1. Benzoic acid you are taking means 2 benzoic acid will become 1. At that time what happened? For example, sodium chloride I am taking means the colligative property is due to the one only I am adding, but the colligative property is shown by two things. What is that? First one and second one. KCl I am taking one only, but it is shown by K plus and Cl minus. So that here individually the molecular mass is more. Here individually molecular mass is less. Here less and here less. Why it is less? One particle count. Here NaCl is a one particle, more molecular mass. NaCl one particle, Na plus one particle count, Cl minus one particle count. So that molecular mass less. Colligative property increases. What I am going to say is now colligative property inversely proportional to the molecular mass. Here also is KCl. It belongs to one particle, more molecular mass. K plus Cl minus. There becomes 2 piece, more colligative property. Colligative property increases, but molecular mass decreases. In a similar manner, CH3COOH. Here 2 acetic acid molecule I have taken means they are undergoing dimerization means 2 acetic acid molecules are combined forming one thing. Here 2 separated 2 are there. First one molecular mass and second one molecular mass. And here what happened? Here 2 particles are responsible for the colligative property. Here both becomes 1. So that colligative property, here more colligative property, here less colligative property. More colligative property because of 2 particles. It is less colligative property because of only 1 particle. Here individually it is 1 molar mass, it is 1 molar mass. 2 particles are there. But this is both becomes 1 no. This is having a more molar mass. See, more colligative property, less molar mass. More colligative property, less molar mass. Less colligative property, more molar mass. That is why the relation is colligative property inversely proportional to the molar mass. That is why the heading is called as, the concept is called as abnormal molecular mass. This is due to what? This is due to dissociation. This is due to dissociation and association. This can be explained by Van Hoff very clearly. Van Hoff factor. Van Hoff factor, that is I. I am writing here. What I am writing here is see, I will take first of all dissociation. I will take dissociation. What is the dissociation here? What is dissociation here? AN. I am taking means it is converting into N molecules of A. That means 1 I am taking here 0. 1 minus alpha means here they becomes N alpha. What is Van Hoff factor discussing is number of particles after dissociation by number of particles before dissociation. So how many number of particles after dissociation? Here 1 minus alpha plus n alpha. Before only one is there. Only one is there. So that I value I is nothing but 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. This is important. I is nothing but 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. Alpha is the degree of dissociation. N value is the number of particles. I value is the Van Hoff factor. Other association. See, n I am taking. Here they become n A molecules I am taking. N number of A molecules I am taking. What they becomes? They becomes 1. That means initially 1 I am taking. It will become initially 1. Nothing is there. For example, see everybody see here. Here 100 I am talking about dimerization. Dimerization is 2 becomes 1. Trimerization is 3 becomes 1. Tetramerization is 4 becomes 1. I am talking about dimerization. For example, 100 molecule I am taking here 0. For example, out of 100, 20 are converting. 20 is converting that side. Which they are undergoing? Dimerization. 20 converting means how many? 10 only will form now. Out of 100, for example, 40 are converting. 40 undergoing dimerization means will become 20. Out of 100, 60 undergoing dimerization means 30 only will come. How is coming? 10 is coming. This 20 dimerization is 2. 10 is coming. How this 20 is coming? 40 coming for dimerization by 2 means 20 only coming. 60 is coming. 60 by 2 means 30. Like that. What I am writing? This number and this number is same. This number same. This number same. That is why I am writing. For example, 1 minus alpha. Alpha is going. Alpha particles are coming out from 1 means alpha by n. Here n means dimerization is n is equal to 2. Trimerization is n is equal to 3. So again I is equal to what I can say? After association by before association. After association by before association. After association 1 minus alpha plus alpha by n. Before that 1 only will be there. I is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 by n minus 1 into alpha. This is the thing. So due to that, whenever this type of dissociation occurs, so there will be a I factor. So that definitely we have to correct our colligative properties. After the abnormal mass, all the colligative properties are going to vary. What is that? RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure is what is that? What you studied? P naught minus P by P naught. Now I will come. Similar way, elevation in boiling point delta TB is equal to what you are saying? KB into M. Now you are going to insert I to correct the equation. Then delta TF is equal to what you are saying? KF into M. Now I you are going to introduce. In a similar way, phi is equal to CRT. Now we are going to introduce I. Like that, this is what association and dissociation. After dissociation, all the qualitative properties equations are corrected by inserting I. So I value, how can you find out? Based on n value and I value. For example, what is I for NaCl? I value, how can I find out? NaCl gives Na plus Cl minus. Na plus Cl minus. Here n value will be 1 plus 1, 2. For NaCl, alpha value is 100%. They are not giving also take 100% because NaCl is a strong electrolyte. You studied in a which one? You studied in which chapter? Ionic equilibrium. So that I have what I made I is equal to, this is dissociation. So I have to take that formula. 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. 1 plus n value 2 minus 1 alpha. 100% means 100 by 100. That is 1. Here 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Like that you have to find out I value. And also I formula. I what you can say? I value nothing but observed colligative property by theoretical colligative property. What we studied, colligative property and molecular mass both are inversely proportional to. Just now we studied. So that Van Hoff factor I is equal to reverse theoretical molecular mass divided by observed molecular mass. This is what. In this one, what we have to learn is when your abnormal molecular mass concept, I I is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha for dissociation, 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 into alpha for association, and 3 formulas for I. For Van factor, you can write number of particles after dissociation or association by number of particles before association or dissociation, one form. Second one, I value observed colligative property by theoretical property. Third one, I value is equal to theoretical molecular mass by observed molecular mass. These three. If you want to find out I value means, you have to identify that is undergoing dissociation process or association process. Dissociation means 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. Association means 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 into alpha. This is what the abnormal mass concept, which is differing the colligative properties in the